Hi, I'm Dylan. Welcome to another On the Road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Stop! Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage, polarity, and ground. To complete this repair, the tool you will need is a T10 Torx driver. Okay, today we have a Kitchenaid dishwasher. The complaint is that the control lock has an intermittent issue with sometimes it works and sometimes it won't unlock the controls. So you can see right now we have nothing because the control panel is locked out. So upon diagnostics, we have confirmed that we have a faulty control board and we're going to go ahead and replace it. To begin this repair, you're going to remove your screws from the top panel here. That's 4 Torx screws. Now disconnect your molex connector from the board. And the board is off. To reinstall the control board, you're going to start by loosening these 2 side screws here. It's a T10 Torx bit. And do the other side as well. Remove the top one, loosen the bottom one. So take your new control board, reconnect the molex connector. Simply slide it into place. Now you can go ahead and reinstall the T10 Torx screws into the control panel. Careful not to over tighten because you're going into plastic. Reinstall your screws in the side. Now you can reconnect your power and your repair will be complete. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.